Like to invite Shivani Gupta, who's already there. She would be here talking about anthropometrics in technology. She's a founder and chief consultant for accessibility. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you everyone for coming to this session, and I hope it makes some sense and is interesting to everyone. I would really like if we can do some, interactive session rather than my just talking, because I would really like, if anyone has any questions or anyone wants to say anything in the middle of the presentation, just if you could raise your hand, and I would ask you to do that. So basically, let me just begin by giving a little brief of what I do and how I fit into this technology arena. Basically, I'm an access consultant, and I work more with infrastructure and physical environments. But, today, our environment, physical environment, is, completely laced with technology. So therefore, it becomes really important. I mean, is English good for everyone? Yeah? Huh? So, huh? Hindi English. Hmm? Hindi English, is it good for everyone? Yeah. So, आजकल हमारा जो environment है, there is so much technology in that environment. अभी आप देखिए लिफ्ट्स हैं, अभी आप देखिए वहाँ पर एक अलार्म सिस्टम है, इमरजेंसी अलार्म सिस्टम्स हैं, कहीं पर एस्केलेटर्स हैं, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से भाई ये फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट और ये टेक्नोलॉजी है. इट्स ऑल इंटरलिंक्ड. सो देयरफॉर दैट्स हाउ आई कम इन. माई इशूज आर मोर अबाउट कि ये जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में टेक्नोलॉजी है, इट मे बी एक्सेसिबल, बट बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है कि इट्स जस्ट द वे इट इज इंस्टॉल्ड वो इनएक्सेसिबल हो जाती है. A lot of disabled people are unable to use it. So, those are my issues more than technology accessibility. So that was just trying to set a base and tell you about how I fit into this arena. So, what I feel, having, stated कि हमारा environment is so much laced with technology today, कि just having accessible environment is not enough. You need to have this technology also installed in such a way that it is accessible. And that's when environment would be accessible to everyone. And when I say everyone, I don't mean just the disabled people. I mean children, I mean the elderly. And, there's a range of people with different needs. It's not just people on wheelchairs or people with vision impairments. A lot of people have needs which are different from the others. So, that's what my concerns are. And basically, I'm going to be showing a lot of photographs, all clicked during my work experience. मतलब जब मैं access audit वगैरह करती हूँ, तो ये सब उस टाइम की photographs हैं जो कि मैं आपसे share करना चाहती हूँ, and like to just emphasize on the issues that come up. And if anyone wants to share anything at this moment, you can just raise your hand anytime. ATMs. This is a common story for any one of us. Isn't this? Malab, can anyone say what is wrong with this ATM? Yeah, there is no ramp. So, ठीक है, steps are there. A lot of people can use the steps, but a lot of people can't use steps. There are no handrails. A lot of people, like my dad, he's like 85, and he really requires the handrail to climb up. So ATM hai, very good, but it becomes inaccessible. Once you get in, it may be accessible. There may be braille on the buttons. It may have a voice output, but a lot of people can't reach it. You know? So those are again issues that need to be looked at. Now, these are just some call buttons in an elevator. So, what do you think is the problem? Height. Short people, people on wheelchairs may not be able to even do a simple thing like call for the elevator. And the elevator is supposed to be accessible. पर आप उसको बुला ही नहीं पाओगे तो आप उसका एक्सेस क्या करोगे? और उसके नीचे there is a cigarette urn, एक वो ashtray जैसी चीज पड़ी है. Again, you know, a person with vision impairment may just hit himself with this. And of course, for a person on a wheelchair, we'd probably we'll probably make it fall or whatever. अब ये, again, heights. This is within the elevator. अब आप emergency जो telephone उन्होंने लगाया है, just have a look at the height of that. तो अच्छे नहीं पहुंच सकते. You know, average Indian height, I don't think we are very tall people. It is right at the top. I mean, forget the wheelchairs. So again, you have those features incorporated in the technology, but it is not accessible because it is not suited to people's anthropometry. So it's not helping. आजकल आप कोई भी होटल में जाएंगे, there are these swipe cards, right? You get those, एक कार्ड से मिल जाते हैं चाबी की जगह, जो कि आप स्वाइप करेंगे और ये नॉब जैसी चीज खोलेंगे. तो अब अगेन क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है इसमें? Pardon? Exactly. अब उसकी स्वाइप इतना ऊंचा है, फिर दूसरे हाथ से वो खोल रहे, कैसे करेंगे? You know, it becomes so tedious. I mean, not only for a person like me who has poor hand functions, but also someone who may have arthritis, someone who may be an amputee. Of course, children, forget it. So, you know, or maybe some people who are carrying a lot of bags in their hands, already, you know, shopping bags hai, ye kaise karenge? फिर ये ऊपर एक यहाँ पर एक environmental control का system है basically. When someone rings the bell, you can put a switch on and you can say, okay, who's outside, and someone can respond, well, I'm Shivani, and I can decide to open the door or not open the door. अब इसमें क्या problem है? Again the height. इतना ऊपर जाके कैसे बोलेंगे? You know, there has to be a height which is convenient for a standing person and also a person who may be on a wheelchair. एक कहीं तो एक compromise करना पड़ेगा ना? एक top height का और एक bottom height का medium height तो देनी पड़ेगी. वरना, I mean, for someone on a wheelchair like me, I cannot answer this. और आजकल तो ये environmental control तो बहुत हमारे environment में आजकल पाया जा रहा है. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में environment controls आ रहे हैं. वो fan का remote आने लग गया है. कितनी सारी चीज़ें होने, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, उससे बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें भी हो रही हैं. इसमें तो this is a regular thing. अब मुझे लगता है कि on a wheelchair we are privileged. We are not considered to be carrying any kind of explosives or being terrorists. I mean, we are really privileged. कोई चेक ही नहीं करता हमें. पर कल को जब कोई टेररिस्ट व्हीलचेयर में बैठ के आ जाएगा, then we'll all be crying. So, and this is so simple to modify. थोड़ा सा बड़ा लेने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know the name of this machine. Pardon? Huh? Metal detector. Well, it's not really a metal, it's not called a metal detector. For friends who may be visually blind, visually impaired, Rohan, I'm sorry, I have not described the picture. I just realized there's a photograph of, एक वो gates होते हैं ना, at malls where we are, when we walk in. So it's a photograph of that, which is generally very narrow and people on wheelchairs can't wheel in. Correct. So we are. फिर उसके सामने एक वो भी है गटर, जिसका एक कवर है, which is going to get white canes या हमारे जो छोटे छोटे पहिए होते हैं व्हील चेयर्स के, या जो भी लेडीज ने बड़ी स्टिलेटो टाइप्स हील पहनी हो, they are all bound to get in. It's एकदम रास्ते में, मतलब straight bang on. ये है switches. अब this is a photograph which is showing some switches and the heights of switches. अब you can see this. ये AC control है. I mean, how is a person like me, this is an accessible room, let me tell you, in a hotel, which is meant specifically for people who are disabled. इसको तो, it's impossible for a person like me to reach it. Why? Because एक तो height ऊंची है. उसके बाद ये जो bed और wall की space है बीच में, वो बहुत कम है, wheelchair ही नहीं घुसेगी. तो बस वो करने के लिए या तो हम किसी को बुलाएं या हम अपने साथ कोई एक अटेंडेंट अपने साथ ही लेके जाएं. सो आई मीन, कैन यू इमेजिन हाउ इतनी छोटी सी काम के लिए यू कैन बिकम सो डिपेंडेंट, एंड इट कैन बी क्वाइट इन्फ्यूरिएटिंग एट टाइम्स. एंड यू हैव द टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इट इज पुट इट एट अ राइट हाइट, दैट्स ऑल. उसके ऊपर ब्रेल मार्किंग्स भी हैं कि ये फुल पे है, ये मीडियम पे है, लो पे है. बस उसको ऐसे लगा दिया, क्या फायदा हुआ. अब ये देखिए, ये स्विचेस, दीज आर स्विचेस राइट एट द बॉटम, जो हमारी स्कर्टिंग होती है उसके ऊपर. आई मीन, दीज आर स्विचेस विच शुड बी कंप्लीटली बैंड, क्योंकि forget the disabled, imagine the elderly. Imagine them bending down so much and trying to use those switches. Imagine the children poking in their fingers. I mean, these are switches. I mean, there is a set height for switches, which again, which is comfortable for everyone. People on wheelchairs, short people, tall people, everyone. So it's a very simple thing. Having all that technology there doesn't help unless it is not installed right. Do you see any technology in this photograph? थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा. Rohan, this is a photograph of a very posh looking bathroom. It's got a tub, it's got a nice slick wash basin, and some nice toiletries on a shelf on the side. The hairdryer. Can you see the hairdryer there?